Thank you for stopping by Ballistic Barbecue. On today's video, I'm going to be cooking up a MrBeast style double cheeseburger from the MrBeast burger joint. Let's get going. So before I start cooking, a big shout out to my buddy Andrew out in Canada. Andrew has a cooking channel called Dished, and he's the one who made this suggestion. So thank you, Andrew. So for those of you who do not know who MrBeast is, he's a YouTuber with millions of subscribers. He gets billions of views and very generous videos, to say the least. A lot of his videos, he's giving out money. He's tipped a pizza guy a house. And he created a small burger joint, and they were basically giving the burgers away for free and giving people bundles of money, and I think a couple cars as well. So I am going to be making his double cheeseburger. On that note, if you Google MrBeast burger, menu pops up where you can actually order a burger to have it delivered to your house. And he negotiated some type of deal with restaurants throughout the country, where they call them ghost restaurants, so you don't know actually who's cooking it up, but where I live, it's DoorDash delivering. I actually tried to order one just out of curiosity, but where I live, I'm just a little bit out of the zone, the delivery zone. So let's start to make this burger here. Using my griddle, and I'm only using these two burners. I have them on medium high, about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to kick it off with two meatballs. This is 80-20 ground beef. And if you hear things falling over in this video, we have some crazy winds going on. It actually kept me up all last night. It sounded like trucks were crashing into my house. So we're going to smash these burgers. So when I was watching MrBeast's restaurant video, I noticed that they were using Montreal steak seasoning on their burger, so that's what I'm going to use. A little goes a long way with this stuff. This pretty big chunks. We're going to season the one side. So I'm using these buns right here. They look exactly like the same buns that MrBeast is using. Ballpark, like Ballpark Franks. I'm going to give these a quick toast. And whenever you toast buns, I mean, not only does it give it, that nice kind of crispy face, but it actually kind of causes steam to pump up through the bread and makes them a little bit more soft. So I always love to toast these buns. Looking good. Nice crust. Beautiful. 2 slices of American cheese. See, it's a very, very simple burger. I'm guessing this is the burger that if MrBeast grills outside, which I'm guessing he does, this is probably what he's making. It's named after him after all. While the cheese is melting, I'm going to go ahead and pull the buns off the griddle. So on the bottom bun here, I'm going to lay down some just regular old mayo. Throw down some pickles. Some coarsely chopped onion here. Then on the top bun, we're laying down some brown mustard. Cheese is looking fantastic. Crown this beauty. And there we have it, the MrBeast double cheeseburger. Let's go ahead and try this out. Check that out. Beautiful. So this burger, it falls into the category, I always say Americana. That's what this is. It's just a simple backyard juicy burger, dripping like crazy. Cheers. I just remembered something before I take any more bites out of it. This is going to generate some comments. Got to put the ketchup down. There. Now it's a MrBeast double cheeseburger. He likes ketchup on his. Cheers again. This is good. Just piping hot, steamy. Whenever I get crap for putting ketchup on a burger, I always remind people there's mustard on the top bun, ketchup below that. It's coming together. It's making kind of a, like almost like a Thousand Island dressing kind of a sauce. Good basic burger, easy to make. I don't think MrBeast would mind if you did it at home. I think one of his motivations for connecting with these restaurants was to, drive traffic to them, which isn't, again, very noble. Cheers again. All right, that was a good burger. I'm glad I did that. It's, again, it needs to be on my list. It's just a good basic burger. And the fact that MrBeast had something to do with this is kind of cool. Anyway, guys, thanks for stopping by. If you're not subscribed, please do. Make sure you ring that notification bell. If you liked the video, thumb it up. I hope you guys liked it. See you on the next video. Cheers.